Welcome to today's quick guide on how to archive important emails on the Gmail app. Updated and ready to use. First, open the Gmail app on your phone and make sure you're signed into the account you want to manage. This sets the stage so you don't accidentally archive the wrong messages. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner. This opens a list of folders and categories, giving you fast access to everything in your inbox. From here, locate and tap Important to view all emails that Gmail has flagged as important. This helps you focus on messages that matter most without digging through your entire inbox. Scroll through your important tab to find the specific email you want to archive. If you're looking to archive multiple messages, you can repeat this step for each one you've identified as ready to move off the main feed. To select an email, long press on it. A check mark will appear and you'll see additional options appear at the top of the screen. If you're archiving multiple messages, continue long pressing to select more emails. Once your desired emails are selected, tap the archive icon at the top. The archive icon usually looks like a box with a downward arrow. Tapping it moves the selected messages out of your inbox and into all mail, keeping them accessible but out of your primary view. A quick tip: archiving is a non-destructive action. You can always find archived messages by going to all mail or by using the search bar to locate specific emails. If you ever need to restore an archived message to your inbox, simply search for it and move it back, or unarchive from the all mail view. That's all there is to it. Simple steps to keep your Gmail organized on the go. Regular archiving helps you maintain a clean inbox while preserving important communications for future reference.